Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 70 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option the display. Then let's scroll down here and localize the option which is called sleep. It is under the display controls, and tap on it. So here we've got different options from which we can choose the sleep option from. So at the top, relatively short ones. At the bottom, the longest time option, which is 30 minutes. And under it, we've got the option never, which means that your device will never black out automatically. So all you need to do is to tap on the option like to use. I'll pick 10 minutes. It is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is immediately notified here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.